Started doing graphic design on my phone at 16. I did not have a laptop. I did not have any gadget. I did not have an iPhone. I wasn't using an iPhone at the time. All I had was just a Techno Spark K7. And mind you, this phone had been used for 4 years by my sister before it was passed down to me. In fact, less than 2 months after I started creating designs with the smartphone, it crashed. It crashed and never came back on again. That is just to tell you that I did not start with like the fanciest of gadgets. I did not start with a good phone. I did not start with a PC. Talk more of a MacBook. I did not start with any amazing gadget. I started with a phone that was as good as dead. The battery life was nothing to write home about. The phone was literally gone. But then that was all I had to start, and that was all I started with. 5 years now, I have a gadget. I'm recording this video with a DJI Osmo Pocket 3 camera I recently got for like over a million naira. I got this for over a million naira too, right? But now this is 5 years after. But if I did not start my design journey in 2021 as a 16-year-old boy with that terrible Android smartphone I had at the time, I maybe will not be here today. Most likely, I won't be here today, right? I won't have all of these things I have today. I won't be able to afford the kind of luxury I have today. I'm currently in an hotel. Look at that, right? And I decided to, okay, look at that, right? Look at that. And I decided to lodge here for my retreat. I wanted just a personal time between me and God, right? And so I decided to book this space, and I've been here for like 3 days now. And the only reason why I can afford this luxury without calling my parents, without calling my mom, without calling my dad, without calling anybody and asking them for money for me to do this, right, is simply because of graphic design. Is simply because that 16-year-old teenager in 2021 decided to use what he have to start, right? And so if you're a young person and you can see this, now it doesn't matter whether you are a young person or not, but if you are interested in starting graphic design, right, and all you have is your smartphone, now you know that you should not be limited by that, especially if you're using an Android smartphone. You should know that you should not be limited by that. And that's why in this video, I'm going to share with you how to start and get paid in 2026 with your smartphone, in case that's all you have and you have been interested in graphic design. Now, the first thing you need to take note of is simple, which is that you need to have a smartphone, right? And an Android smartphone, right? So I'm trying to ensure that what I'm sharing with you is very systemic or systematic, whichever one it is. I want to ensure that it is structured. So first, you are going to need a smartphone, and you will need an Android smartphone. Now, there's Pixel app, because the two we are going to be using is Pixel app. That was what I started my design with. Now, but it doesn't matter whether you are using Pixel app or you are using Canva. These two softwares are a great place to start, and then all of them, they work on your smartphone. They can work on your smartphone. So you need an Android smartphone. But then if you have an iPhone, right, if you use an iPhone, that's not an issue. That's all you have. You can also use Canva on your iPhone. You can also use Pixel app on iPhone now, right? I figure that Pixel app is now on iPhone too, so you can also use Pixel app on iPhone now. Just that I think there are still a couple of things that they need to work on, or right, or like they are working on or something, right? Basically, but then if that is all you have, that's not an issue. You can start with your smartphone. You can start with Canva, right? Now, aside from an Android smartphone, you need to download the two Pixel app, right? Pixel app. So you need to download the app Pixel app, and you can also download Canva. You can also use Canva, right? You can even access Canva on the website, right? So Canva is also an amazing tool to start with. Pixel app is also an amazing tool to start with. Now, these are the tools you would download on your smartphone. And then when you do this, you can check out my channel, right? You can check out my second channel, right? Not my second channel, this channel. I actually have two channels, and now I'm confusing them. But then you can um you should check out this channel. You should scroll down. You would um you would see tutorial videos, right? You will see tutorial videos that you can start with. Now, if you use Canva, I do not have tutorials around Canva, right? I've not started creating tutorials around Canva or something. So you may need to still find a way to download Pixel App. That if you are using an iPhone, right? Just download Pixel App and I think it should work, right? It might just be slightly different from the way it works on Android, even though the interface is the same, right? Basically the functionalities are similar, right? So it should work, right? It should work. So just download Pixel Lab. For the sake of this video, we are sticking with just Pixel Lab. So once you download Pixel Lab, scroll down this video, just this channel rather, scroll down. You can just scroll down to like the first video and then start from there. We can then start watching the videos one after the other. I have like a lot of the videos are very structured. You can even go to playlist, right? You can go to playlist and then check the playlist. You would see, I think there was a place where I put Pixel Lab series, right? You will see different series there. And I think I also have a video on introduction to Pixel Lab. So watch that video, watch the video on introduction to Pixel Lab. That video will expose you to Pixel Lab, to the different functionalities on Pixel Lab, different things you can do on Pixel Lab. Just go over it, right? Go over the different tools on Pixel Lab, the different things you can do on Pixel Lab. Basically, just familiarize yourself with the tool. That is one thing you would also want to do first before you even begin to dive deep into creating designs. You need to understand the tool you are using. You need to understand the tool you are working with. So once you do that, the next thing would now be to check the channel. I have like tutorial videos. Now you have to be very careful. And when I say very careful, when I started graphic design in 2021, and I actually started with tutorials too, because the class I paid for, I paid 1,000 naira for a class there, and that was like the first thing that introduced me to graphic design. I saw a particular advert on Facebook, and then the price was 1,000 naira, and then I paid 1,000 naira. That was my last 1,000 naira. I paid it for that class basically, and then the guy did not teach us anything. He actually didn't teach us. He's not a good tutor, to be very honest. I mean, I'm happy that I still register for the class, because if not for that, I may not have been able to develop the kind of interest I developed in design that made me decide to settle with it and actually continue learning, right? But then basically what he did was he just gave us tutorial videos of another YouTuber, not himself. I think he just checked YouTube and then he just searched for tutorial videos and then he shared with us and said we should watch it and replicate it. So I did that, and I spent 5 days on like one design. I spent 5 days trying to replicate just one design. But then beyond the replicating of designs, beyond being able to really replicate the designs, because I was able to actually do that. But then beyond being able to do that, the process of doing that did something to my mind. It made me become genuinely interested in graphic design. And that was what changed everything for me. Right. But one thing you need to take note of is when I was trying to replicate the design, I was very meticulous, right? Many times, and that's why I used 5 days on it. Many times I will rewind back again to a part that is not clear. I wanted to ensure that I was able to get exactly what the guy did. So if you are going to be replicating the tutorial videos I have on this channel, just ensure that you are very meticulous. Some tutorial videos are as long as 40 minutes. Don't look at the time. Just ensure that you are really learning. The focus should be about what you have to learn than the time you have to spend, except if you are not really as interested, right? Or if you are not as passionate, right? As I was, right? But then I would really recommend that you pay attention and then you give it time and you give it attention. Now, watch tutorials, and that's a good place to start, right? So I have like a lot of tutorial videos on this channel, more than 20, more than 30. So you can just watch a lot of them, and then that is a good place for you to start. That will launch you into design. Now if you want to take it a step further, maybe after watching the tutorial videos, to realize that okay, now you want to really learn it in a structured manner, expose yourself to principles of design, visual element, and all of that. I have like a detailed course that would really help you, right? Is the smartphone graphic design masterclass. This course is very detailed, starting from the basics of design, the foundations of design, the equation of designs, to smartphone brand identity design, to visual designs, right? It dealt with design principles, dealt with visual elements, dealt with monetization, how you can actually get clients as a graphic designer. I shared 4 different ways you can get clients as a graphic designer, Upwork and other ones, right? Freelancing platforms and then other ways. And then I also like share some things around Upwork, right? How I get foreign clients on Upwork. I also share that. Then there's also a section of the class that has to do with how you can put out yourself as a graphic designer, how you can position as a graphic designer. So I also share this in detail in the course, right? Basically, I shared every single thing that I know around design, that I know around positioning yourself as a graphic designer. There are other bonuses I added that are worth a lot of money, right? But then I added them for free because I know that these are things that would also help you on your journey, right? Building online, building in the digital space. Now, if you want to have access to this course, right, it was actually a class, right? It was my master class, a 10 weeks class. Now, for a 10 weeks class, you know that that is going to be really intense. So you can just check the description box of this video to get more details, right? And then you can also get it. I believe this is going to give you the structured knowledge you need, and I believe this is really going to help you and help you start out and start well in graphic design. I shared a lot of things that I wish I knew or I learned when I started, right? And a lot of people have gotten it, right? I've had like 5 editions, even though this last one I just is the recorded version. It's not really the class, but it is still as detailed as what was shared in the class. Every material shared, every resources shared in the class is available once you purchase it. And you can just let me know if you have any issue in the comment section. I would love to read from you. And if you have any challenge with getting it right, you can just let me know in the comment section. I would love to read from you. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you are new to this channel. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to like this video. And I'm going to see you in the next one.